Hey, in this video, I want to share with you how to overcome the feelings of frustration and overwhelm as you're trying to build your online business. So let's get started. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if this kind of content is the kind of content that you enjoy, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now, I want to share with you how to get rid of these feelings of frustration and overwhelm that comes with building an online business. And I know what this is like. I experienced it for a long time in my own business. I went for 10 years really of feeling frustrated and overwhelmed and really like a loser because I couldn't figure this stuff out. And I want to share this with you today because it's really powerful and it can really help you get on the right path so that you can build your business online. So where are frustration and overwhelm actually coming from? Frustration and overwhelm are feelings that you cause for yourself. So here's where it comes from, is that when you consume information and you don't take action on the information, now you start to feel like you have information overload. You have too much information in your head that you're not taking action on, and then you're not using to get results in your life, in your business, in your relationships, and whatever it is. You're not using this information to improve your life. You're just absorbing this information and thinking that somehow just by learning it, it's going to help you. And this is what causes frustration. This is what causes you to feel overwhelmed. Because you have the knowledge, you have the information, you know what to do, you know the process for building a business online, right? Tell me if you felt this. Tell me if you felt like, you felt like frustrated and you said, man, I know what to do. I know how the process works. I just can't seem to get over myself and get out there and actually do it. If you've ever felt that, I know how you feel because I felt that way too. And again, it was because I spent so much time learning and studying and, consuming information about how to build a business online, but I didn't take that information and apply it. I didn't use it. I allowed my fear, my self-doubt to keep me stuck in the state of inaction and the state of frustration and overwhelm. So, how do you overcome these feelings? First of all, here's tip number one, is tell yourself that this is only a feeling. This is only a feeling, and you tell yourself this. Say, I am in control of my own emotional state. I am responsible for what I'm feeling right now. Next, now that you've identified that you are in control of your emotional state, now you're going to tell yourself, my emotions don't determine my results. My actions determine my results. If I don't take action, I won't get any results. If I do take action and I do it consistently, then I'll get the results. Then I'll build the business. Then I'll make the money. Then I'll change my life. Okay, third, now we know that it's action that's going to get you the results. So now it's time to write down the things, the actions, the behaviors that you are committed to doing right now consistently until you get results. Take everything that you want to do, write it down, and throw it away. Take everything that you're committed to do right now, write it down, and keep it. And then now this leads right into step four. Step four is take those things that you said you're going to do right now, take those things and do them. Start taking action. For example, what I've done is I started a YouTube channel and I started a 120-day YouTube video marketing challenge to push myself to produce and upload a video every single day for 120 days. I've missed 2 days so far, which isn't bad. I mean, I'm not going to beat myself up over the 2 days that I missed. And I'm going to keep going and I'm going to keep pushing and I'm going to keep taking consistent, focused action by creating videos and uploading videos until I get the result, until my YouTube channel takes off, until my YouTube channel starts generating leads consistently every single day. Once that happens, then I'll be able to shift into the next thing. That might be, you know, something else. It might be blogging. It might be Facebook. It might be advertising. It might be, who knows what it's going to be. But until I get good at YouTube and until I figure this YouTube thing out, I'm not quitting. I'm not stopping, and I'm going to keep going. Now, if you want to learn the actual process and the actual steps for building a passive income online, and if you want to leverage a done-for-you sales funnel that can help you do that, check out the link down below this video. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video.